Pakistan's Textile Ministry, headed by Prime Minister Imran Khan, has recommended lifting ban on import of cotton from India. Islamabad has taken the step to bridge the raw material shortfall the country's textile sector is facing. Pakistan's Ministry of Textile Industry has sought permission from the Economic Coordination Committee. The meeting of the committee, chaired by Finance Minister, will be convened today. It will consider a 21-point agenda. Reports suggest that a summary of permission to import cotton from India will be presented at this meeting. Imran Khan has already approved the summary, which is to be placed before the ECC. Now, the low yield of cotton bales in Pakistan makes the country depend on imports from India. The government's decision to counter lifting the ban comes as a huge relief for the textile sector of Pakistan, which seeks access to cheap raw material. Pakistan, remember, had suspended trade ties with India after New Delhi abrogated Article 370 in 2019. However, India always maintained that it was an internal issue of India and Pakistan should not interfere. However, at this point, it seems back-channel diplomacy seems to be at play. But let's also try and understand the shortfall in cotton that Pakistan is facing and why Pakistan might be taking this decision. Now, Pakistan is facing a minimum shortfall of 6 million bales. Now, according to reports, against an annual estimated consumption of about 12 million bales, the Ministry of National Food Security and Research expects only 7.7 million bales production this year. However, some experts have given the lowest production estimate of only 5.5 million bales this year in Pakistan, which means Pakistan faces a huge shortfall as far as its cotton demand is concerned. Now, due to a shortage of cotton and yarn, the users were compelled to import cotton and raw material from countries like United States, Brazil and Uzbekistan. Now, imports from India would be far cheaper for Pakistan and would reach Pakistan within 3 to 4 days. Importing yarn from other countries, for example, would not only prove to be expensive, but it would also take 1 to 2 months to reach Pakistan. So, Pakistan is now considering lifting the import ban on Indian cotton. Back-channel diplomacy is also at work here, however. For instance, Pakistan Prime Minister replied to a letter written by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Pakistan's Republic Day. Imran Khan said that Pakistan desired peaceful relations with India. Pakistan Army Chief Qamar Javed Bajwa had said that it is time to bury the past and move forward. He also said that a stable relationship between India and Pakistan is key to unlocking the potential of South and Central Asia by ensuring connectivity between East and West Asia. WION's Pakistan Bureau Chief Anas Malik gets us a report from Ground Zero.
Pakistan is all set to overturn its earlier decision banning all sorts of imports from India, with the Economic Coordination Council meeting today under the chair of the Federal Finance Minister and Finance and Revenue Minister Hamad Azhar, where they will be deliberating upon the request to import cotton and sugar from India. This after the Yarn Mills Association wrote about 2 weeks ago to the Pakistani Prime Minister seeking a revocation on this ban because of the shortage of cotton within the country, and Pakistan's textile sector is the one that thrives and on which the exports are heavily reliant. Therefore, now earlier, after the 5th of August, Pakistan had unilaterally suspended trade with India, and Pakistan had imposed a ban on imports. So therefore, in the wake of the recent overtures and the recent developments between Pakistan and India, this step can be seen as one of those first steps towards normalcy or towards resumption in normalcy between the two neighboring countries. Anas Malik in Dushanbe, Tajikistan for WION, World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.